Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, and a blessed Ramadan, my companions along the way and this incredible spiritual journey we're all taking together. Isn't it interesting that our life actually is like a long conversation with ourself? And, you know, we are finally able to observe that conversation and be aware of, through our own jihad al-nafs, be aware of what we are thinking and doing. And I just wanted to share something I learned from Imam al-Ghazali, which has helped me a great, great deal. He said, when you have a good thought, you see, act on it immediately, because the waswisu comes in from the side saying, no, you could do that later, or you can do it another time. And in the Children's Ghazali Project, we have children standing up and giving a good thought, and then another child comes in from the side and says, you know, you don't really have to do that. But then we get to the point where we have children talk about a good thought and what they would do, how they would whisper to themselves not to do it. And ever since we've been working on this project, you know, we have to act quickly on good thoughts. I remember, you all know the blessed Sidi Hassan Gay Eaton of Cambridge and London. And I remember when in his last years, I knew he was not well. I visited him. But then I started thinking one day, call Sidi Hassan. And then I think, oh, well, it's 5 hours, wrong time. Next day, call Sidi Hassan. And the next day, and then I would think, well, I'll do it tomorrow. I don't have time right now. And the third day I had the thought, call Sidi Hassan. And I called and he had died. So our good thoughts, which Imam al-Ghazali speaks about, they're like the angels in our empty heart, right? And if we have naughty thoughts, it's like barking dogs. It scares the angels away. And ever since then, when I have a good thought, more than likely, it used to be thoughts like get dinner going and what about the children? All these thoughts mush together. But now when a good thought comes, I see it in my mind outlined in sort of that fluorescent yellow, like I'm driving along the road and I pass an old age facility or a nursing home and think, I really should go and see so-and-so's mother. Now I'm afraid not to do it. So I'm just saying that during Ramadan, we'll be having many thoughts, but they're going to be the good ones, which say, yes, go ahead and do it. Yes, go to Tarbiyah. Yes, do the Quran today, you know. And I just wanted to give a little bit of an idea here from something I've learned from Imam al-Ghazali to like be on red alert for those good thoughts. So I'm sending you my love and joining you together on this incredible journey with our conversations to ourselves. Assalamu alaikum.